Welcome back, YouTube. Donruss Classics time. See if we can get anything decent out here. Product looks really good this year, I think. That's why I'm opening it. McFadden, Aaron Barber, Merlin Olsen, Legend. Base. Merlin Olsen's number 2 of 999. That was weird. I didn't even get a filler card in that one. Oh yeah, I did. David Gerard, Legend of Walter Payton, number to 999. Base school colors of Rashad Jennings. He's been haunting me this year. Reggie Bush, Carson Palmer, Heath Miller. And our first hit is Tim Brown jersey card, number 247 of 250. So that'll be in my Notre Dame PC. Nice jersey there. Santana Moss, Randy Moss, rookie of Perjad Jerry. Drafted from Mississippi, 31 of 99. And Brady Quinn, second year card. Really want one of those autographed patches out of this stuff. Super sick. Base, rookie of Hakeem Nicks, number 94 of 99, 999. Base, Tom Brady, and a jersey of MJD, dress code number 255 of 299. So, 2 quick hits out of the gate. A lot of boxes have 4 hits, so hopefully I've got one of those. Base, Timeless Tribute, Lawrence Maroney, number 8 of 25. Base, Sunday's Best, Andre Johnson, Jay Cutler in the Bears uniform. Walter Payton, William Perry, Classic Combo, number to 100. Base. Legend autograph of William the Fridge Perry, number 65 of 126. So that's pretty cool. You don't see too many of the Fridge autographs, so I'm content with that, I guess. Didn't get a rookie auto though, unless it's not over. But better than no-name rookie auto, that's for sure. Here's a Andre Reed Classic Singles, number 250. Base. Here's a Timeless Tribute Triple, Jim Kelly, Andre Reed, Thurman Thomas, number to 100. 3 packs left after this one. School colors of Pat White, non-numbered. Those autograph versions are really cool. If you haven't seen those, check those out on eBay. Base. Ooh, we did get an autograph of Brian Cushing, my man. Significant signatures, number to 250. So that'll be part of my Cushing PC. Sweet. Got 4 hits in that box. 2 packs left. That's cool too, because I was going to buy one of them. They don't go real expensive whatsoever, but Kevin Smith, Timeless Tributes, number to 100. But I like Brian Cushing a lot, so that's the 3rd one of those I've actually pulled. School colors of Percy Harvin. That'd have been sweet if that was autoed. Base. So thanks for watching, and I'll recap everything that I've opened today. Peace. Subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my group break. It's going to be right around $17.50 now, because I had to get rid of one of those Donruss Elite boxes back to the shop. So get in on that. Thanks. Peace.